Zion was searching for old games in his grandpa's attic when he found a strange dusty map in a metal box. It showed an island shaped like a crescent moon with a mark labeled, "Whispering trees, secrets lie within." The boat trip was long, and stormy clouds followed them halfway. Suddenly, a glowing blue parrot landed on their boat. "I'm Toto, and I know the island you seek," the parrot squawked. "But be warned, not everything is what it seems." The island was quiet, too quiet. Trees swayed, even though there was no wind. It felt as if they were whispering to one another. Aliyah opened her book of nature. These trees are called whispering elders. Legends say they talk to those who listen closely. Deeper in the jungle, they found a gate covered with ancient carvings. Toto whispered, "Only the clever shall pass." Zion noticed symbols matching his compass. They turned the compass in a specific direction. The gate opened slowly with a stone grinding sound. Inside, they found a giant talking tree with a face made of vines and glowing eyes. "You seek the heart of the island," it said, "but you must prove your courage." The test? Walk through a cave of mirrors showing their greatest fears. Aliyah held Zion's hand tightly. "Let's do this together." Inside the cave, Zion saw himself lost and alone. Aliyah saw a storm washing away her books, but they reminded themselves, these are just fears, not the truth. Their bravery passed the test. The path lit up in golden color. At the end of the path lay a golden tree with crystal fruits. Toto explained, "This is the tree of knowledge. Each fruit gives wisdom." They took only one each, thanked the island, and promised to protect its secret forever. The children returned with their boat. No one believed their story, except Grandpa, who smiled knowingly. Zion hid the map back in the attic, whispering, "One day, we'll return."